Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So I'm just giving you a little rundown of the things I'm using in today's video. There you saw my CJP acrylics and some pigments, and this is my hand dolly that I got from handdolly.co.uk, and I've sculpted her a nice stiletto clear base onto, oh sorry, I've just literally like ran up the stairs and I'm so unfit, I'm fighting for my life. Anyway, so I've sculpted her a nice clear stiletto base, and I'm using my big boy brush, and I'm coming straight in with Fantasy, and I'm just going to do another obviously layer of this on top of that clear base, because I do a clear base because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and so I sculpted a clear base. But if you were using Fantasy, you don't need a clear base, but whatevs. So I'm really sorry that it's been nearly a week again since I uploaded, but I have been poorly and haven't really done many nails because I've had such a bad cough. It is still there, as you can tell, but it's not as bad as it was, so hopefully I'm on the mend now. So coming back to this index finger, and I'm using that Fantasy again, I'm just going to make like a swooshy smile line, like a side swoop smile line. So I'm just placing it around like I would do an extended nail bed, bringing up that wall so the height is the same consistency all the way around it. Flattening it down, making sure the back of that bead on the nail plate is nicely blended in. I do this with the tip of my brush, and then I flatten and blend down with the body of my brush. And then I'm going to come in with another cuticle bead, which I'll put a nice juicy bead at that cuticle, let it kind of settle down, use the tip of my brush to just chuck it into that cuticle with an angle upwards, and then I just kind of go tap tap to the side and tap tap to the side, and then I'll just blend the product down. So now I'm on the pinky, and I'm starting off with this galaxy nail. Now these galaxy nails have been everywhere, like I see everyone doing them, so I thought I would give them a little bit of a go. So I'm using CJP Sapphire, which is the blue, which kind of completely overtook the purple that I put on. And then I'm using Ultraviolet, and I'm just kind of like, not marbling, I'm just kind of putting those two colours on that nail. And then my hand was in the way the whole time, most of the time, but I'm just literally going in with different pigments and placing them over that purple and blue. Just going to do that again now. So I'm coming in, picking up two beads on the brush, so Ultraviolet and Sapphire, blending down really thin washes of colour. These, I'm not adding any bulk or structure or anything like that with these colours. They're literally just for design. And I'm sorry that my hand keeps making it lose focus, which is a bit frustrating. A bit rusty, haven't recorded for a week. So there I just added a bit of blue pigment, blue chrome, but it just kind of looked like sapphire. So I then came in with the oh god, what's it called, unicorn, I want to say unicorn glaze from CJP, which gives it that stunning like metallic-y purple. Oh, I love it. And then this is another pigment. I have no idea what it's called, but it's from Glitter Arty Nails. I think it's called Unicorn. They're all called bloody Unicorn, let's face it, but I think it's called Unicorn Dust or something like that. So on this side swoosh, you can see I haven't filed that like swoosh. I didn't really think it needed it. And I just kind of wanted to record this video to get it out, to get some content out there. I hate not having videos on my channel. I hate it going dormant. So I just wanted to get in the shed and record a video. So I've just put some purple and some blue on there, and then I'm coming in with a beautiful colour shifting glitter from tracynails.com, and it's called Ursula. And it's like purple, blue, coloured shift. I just thought it went absolutely perfectly with this set. And I love it. And she does like all different sort of colours. So like there's green ones that colour shift to like a gold, and there's like burgundy ones that go to like a green. They are all so lush. And she also has like shards in the colour shift, which are phenomenal. I wish my clients would have those like greeny, deep greeny browny, but none of them do. I'm gonna have to do it on hand dolly or my other hand. So now I'm just going to cap these nails. They are quite long, so I always start kind of halfway down the nail. I tap from side to side so the product naturally falls into the centre of the nail. And I do exactly the same around the cuticle area. And then I do leave a little bit of filing in. I just filed with my hand file, top coat, add in some crystals. I will come back in a little bit just to say goodbye. But I'll let you watch this for now. I'm just going to rub over these nails with CJP Cleanse. I'm doing this because I'm going to add some Swarovski crystals on that nude nail. And I just went over just to kind of remove the dust off, because obviously the hand is silicone and the dust sticks to it like a mofo. So I was just kind of using that to remove some of that dust. I'm using this glue resin from glitterplanet.co.uk, and then I'm using these like volcano Swarovski crystals. And then I've got some blue ones and some purple ones, and they were from the Glitter Fairy. They were on her Princess Swarovski wheel. I don't know if she still stocks it, but they are beautiful. But I'm just going to place them. This wax pencil that I'm using, I got off eBay. It was like 99p, and it's like massive. I just snapped it in half because it was so big. I don't even know where the other half is, actually. I think it's like up there somewhere. But yeah, it's like 99p, so cheap, and it just works amazing. So this is the finished result, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to cough really, sorry, wait. I thought I was going to cough up along. This is the finished result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. How amazing were them galaxy nails? Like, they're so dreamy to look at. I need to do my nails. They are a shit state right now. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye.